Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your Google AI Pro and Ultra credits. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to Google. Then inside Google, we need to type in Google Billing Console and then hit enter. Then from here, click on the top link that says Google Cloud Billing Console. Then from here, we'll need to go ahead and add a billing account. So click on add billing account. Now from here, step 1 of 2, account information, click on agree and continue. Then from here, we need to add contact information and payment method. So I can go ahead and add in your contact information and then your payment method and then click save and then start free. Then next step is to go back to Google and Google developer benefits and then click onto my benefits. Then from here, you're going to see all your benefits inside your Google development program. So as you can see, you've subscribed to it, so you can see all of your different benefits. It's going to look different than mine. So at the moment, I've got 8 available and 1 expired. So you can see all these different benefits. So I've got a $50 Gen AI developer credit. We've got 3 months of Google One AI Premium, Gemini Code Assistant Standard, etc.